Naomi today discusses the concept called an Iser Kolel, and this is where there's a prohibition which is not limited to one specific area, but it overlaps into another area. And because the prohibition becomes more inclusive, then the sin becomes even greater, and therefore the penalty becomes even greater. But there's a larger point here, and the point is that it's often the case that sin is not isolated to a discrete area. It's often the case that you can't just isolate a sin and say, I did this just very specific sin. Often the sin overlaps into other areas. And that's true in life. It's often the case that somebody who is making a mistake or acting inappropriately in one area, that this will be a part of a much larger behavior, a much larger pattern. It's not isolated to a specific person who they're wronging or a specific type of misbehavior. The nature of sin is that it grows and becomes more inclusive, and so too with our inappropriate actions. God forbid, the nature is it's often not isolated.